Hello and welcome to day 4, Thursday, October 22nd, Module 5, Unit 2. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, and then you will click Async. You have 2 activities to do in Async today. First activity is a discussion post. Earlier this week, on Tuesday, you did a Nearpod about topic, claim, and point of view. Today, you are going to do your own point of view and claim. You have 2 topics to choose from. The first topic, Carlos Rosario should offer free daycare services for all students and staff. Second topic, the U.S. government should offer healthcare for all citizens. So you will use one of the 2 topics, and then you are going to do a point of view, tell a little story about how this topic affects you or how this is important to you, how this could help you. And your claim should be the problem and what is your solution. Okay. And you're going to type all of that in the comment box. Check spelling, punctuation, and grammar before you post. Okay. If you have any questions about topic, claim, and point of view, please refer to Async on Tuesday for the Writing Nearpod. All right. Second activity is in MEL. You will do the second part of yesterday's assignment, which was doing the reading about telecommuting. You will do the second part of that activity. Make sure you follow all of the instructions. That's it for Async. Let's go to Sync. Today in Sync, it's Thursday, so we will have our large class together for our Achieve 3000 reading groups. Before we do that, we will do an activity called My Bucket List with Present Perfect. So in your small group, you are going to open this and read the directions, and you're going to read a paragraph and underline or highlight all of the present perfect. Then your next activity is also in small group. You will do topic, point of view, and claim. Each of you in your groups will get a paragraph, and you will highlight the topic, the point of view, and the claim. And then we will do our Achieve 3000 groups. And that's it. Good luck.